Hari Om. I am Dr. Nishikant Vibhute. I am consultant psychiatrist and I have created videos for ANIRUDDHA'S creative learners. So, this is my introduction for the ANIRUDDHA'S creative learners. It is ANIRUDDHA'S because I am follower of Sadhguru Aniruddha Bapu. So it is known as ANIRUDDHA'S creative learners. Now, what was the purpose of this ANIRUDDHA'S creative learners? Actually, it started with helping out some of my friends, but gradually I realized that many people require similar education and learning regarding different digital skills. So I started creating more and more videos to help out, and now we are having subscribers more than 1400. So I am very happy and I am thankful to all the subscribers. This is very commonly seen that many people subscribe a channel and then they don't see the videos. Even though I have many subscribers, I can see that many people have not seen the videos at least once. They feel they are important but they don't put enough efforts and time for that. So it is a very common mistake. So I will suggest you to use in a particular manner so that you can learn many skills, many digital skills, and you can become expert in few of the areas. There are videos made for the purpose of certain apps. Maybe the apps are not useful or they are not in the circulation right now, but if you watch the video, there are many tricks and tips, and with that tips and tricks you can learn the digital skills very well, and you can use the same tricks for the apps or softwares available right now. For example, I have made many videos on Pixel Lab mobile app. So it is a very free and easily available app, and with that you can start your digital journey. You can start making digital artworks on the Pixel Lab. I have made many videos. So in those videos I have explained how to use grid line, how to mask, and then how to use layers. So all these things are definitely useful in different softwares like Photoshop or any other software. The same methods or same pattern is used. Then I have made videos on Photoshop Touch, PS Touch. Currently that PS Touch is not available, but the tips which I have explained, like how to blur the background or how to make half tone pattern in the PS Touch. So similarly, there are videos on Photopea. So Photopea is browser based app, means you can type on your browser and that Photopea opens, and it is like a Photoshop. So you need not purchase, or there is no need to purchase Photoshop if you can have this Photopea. You can download that. You can just there is even no need to download. You can start using it on the browser basis only. So there are videos on Photopea. So you can use the Photoshop on your mobile itself. The same Photoshop can be used on the PC or desktop also. I have made many videos on Vector Ink. So Vector Ink is vector based app which is there in the Android. These videos are suggesting you can learn how to make thumbnails, logo design or flow charts in the Vector Ink. So same tricks you can use while using Adobe Illustrator, which is a software very commonly used by digital artists. So you should decide for like 1 month I will learn this particular skill. So daily spend 10 to 15 minutes, 30 minutes for that particular app or for that particular series of videos. So you will gradually come to know, and while learning you should start utilizing the skill also. If you learn something like making logo design, so try to make a logo design yourself using the similar app. So that way you can develop many digital skills. Thank you for visiting ANIRUDDHA'S creative learners and keep watching the videos. Hari Om, Sri Ram, Ambadnya, Nathsanvidh.